French toast. So these are the ingredients. So we need some bread. I'm using raisin bread, but you can use any type of bread. We need an egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. You need to crack an egg. Then you have to add the milk. And you need to add the brown sugar. And now you need to mix them all up. Take a pan. When the pan is hot, you need to put some oil in it. Put the bread in the egg mix. Then you have to put it in the pan. Now flip the bread. Both sides are supposed to look like this. Now that means they're done. Do the same thing with all the breads. The last step is optional. You need to add some icing sugar. Now the French toast are done. They look very yummy. Now it's time to taste it. It's so good.